Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Avalon Public School at home. Hope you all have completed your exams very well. Now we are going to start new unit of Alga 10 unit 7. In previous class I told you about SR 1, 2, 3 and 4 of your Alga book unit 7. In that I told you about synonym like same words. So today we are going to start a SR 6, 7 and 8. Before starting this, let's learn some good thing. So children, we all should be attentive in the classroom. You know children, we come to school to study. So it is our first duty to pay attention whatever our teacher is teaching us. We all should try to learn that thing very well and be attentive in the classroom. It's a very good habit. We all should adopt it. Now come to our topic. So children, open your Alga 10 book, page number 56, SR number 6. In this, we are going to learn about parts of a newspaper article. You know children, article writing? A newspaper article contains 5 parts. How many parts? 5 parts. So its first part is, as you can see, headline. Headline means a short attention grabbing statement about the article. You can say title also. Next is 2 number is byline, name of the person who has written the article. That this article is Future Changes in Classroom, written by Namita Goel. Next 3 point is main paragraph. This has all the important details like who, what, when, where and how in it. A writer must find these details and write in the first paragraph of the article. Means to who has written this and what is in the this whole article. So these things should be in first paragraph. Next 4 number is supporting paragraphs. So 1 2 paragraphs with other facts or details which the reader would like to know. A few opinions can be added here where the writer describes his her own the top opinion on the topic. So with the main paragraph we all should add 2 or 3 more paragraphs about the article that's related to the concept of the article. Next 5 number is closing. So conclude the article by connecting various elements in the article what you are trying to say. So it is the conclusion of the whole article, at least in 3 or 4 lines. So these are the parts of a newspaper article. Now come to next SR7, page number 57. In this we are going to learn about simple, continuous and perfect tense. So as I told you, there are 3 types of tenses: past, present and future. Okay children? So here simple, continuous and perfect tense. Look the chart. Here simple past. In simple past we use subject plus verbs second form, as I walked. So I is subject here, pronoun, and walked second form. I walked. In present I walk, subject plus verbs first form. And in future I subject plus will or shall plus verbs first form. I will walk. Now look second number, past perfect. In past perfect, I means subject plus had plus verbs third form. So I had walked. I had walked. In present simple, what will come? In present perfect, subject plus has, have plus verbs, third form. I have walked. I subject, have is helping verb with I, and walked is the third form of walk. Now look future perfect. I will have walked. I subject, will have, shall have is the helping verb, and walked is the third form. I will have walked. Now look downside past continuous. I was walking. I subject, was is helping verb, and walking first form, verbs first form plus ing. That shows continuity. I am walking. In present, it is I subject, am is the helping verb, and walk is the main verb plus ing. I am walking. In future continuous, it will be I will be walking. I subject, will be is the helping verb, and walking is the main verb plus ing. Okay, children. Now open next page, SR8, page number 58. In this, I'll tell you irregular verbs. So, what are irregular verbs? Here is a list of some of the verbs which are irregular. Means their all forms, past form, present form, future form, are changed. They are not same. So, therefore, instead of adding ed to the verb to indicate its past, the entire verb changes. Okay, children? In the regular verbs, we change form by adding ed. But in irregular verbs, all verbs are changed. When we change irregular verbs to past perfect, we change it as has, have plus past participle form of the verb. Look here, like past participle is written. So what is the past verb? Wrote. Second form, first is write, and future form will write. Past participle is eaten. Second form is ate. Present form is eat. And future form is will eat. In the same manner, you will read all the verbs. These are irregular verbs. So try to read all these verbs and try to complete all the exercise in your workbook related to this concept. So revise this concept. Thank you. Have a great day.